All right, now I'm going to show you the saddle tie kit. The kit includes 5 feet of Velcro and includes 5 of these saddle ties. Now these are molded to go into the enclosures, and they can be used in the plastic or the metal enclosures. All right, so the purpose of this device is to allow you to strap cable down, which is what we're going to do here, or hold materials, which I'll show you later. There's a hook on here. You're going to choose 2 holes vertically. It will not install horizontally. It's a vertical product, but the Velcro can be wrapped around it horizontally or vertically, so it serves the same purpose. Bring the hook in, rotate it down, push in. Then to remove it, grip it, and you'll see there are arrows here to pull down. So I'm going to pull down, which will release it, and I'm going to rotate it out, and that removes it. So we're going to put it in right here. So we'll put it in. We're going to push on the Leviton logo. You can slide it through left to right, like so, or you can slide it through top to bottom, bottom to top, if you're going to run cables across. In this application, we're going to strap this bundle down right here. So we're going to bring this around the outside, tie it down, and we'll cut off the excess. So we're going to want to run this cable across, say here, in order to get to the other side to tie to this point here. So we will put in another saddle tie right here. And we'll take our Velcro strapping, we'll run it vertically instead, tie our bundle in case we needed to get to the other side for some reason.